Greetings, everyone. It's Mr. Shajoy here. Welcome to Back to Basics. What we are doing now are basically we are looking at financial mathematics, and we are just trying to understand, how to answer our questions on this particular topic by looking at, different past exam papers, right? Now let's look at now the part six of this particular series. Now they say now if a car which is having a value of 255,000 depreciate on a reducing balance method at an interest rate of 12.5% per annum. Calculate the book value of the car after 7 years, right? So now they said the value of the car, it depreciates, right? Now, whenever we think of depreciation, this is going to be A is equals to P into 1 subtract I to the power of N. Now, this is the formula for depreciation, right? Now, what is going to be the P, which is the principal amount? Now, the principal amount here is going to be 255,000 into 1 subtract the interest given here, it's 0.125, right? 0.125. Then for how long? For 7 years, right? You're just going to plug this in your calculator and calculate what is going to be the accumulated value altogether. And now you are going to find out that now the value of this is going to be same as now 100,000 and 137,45 altogether. Then now basically that is going to be the accumulated value for this particular one, right? Now if you look at your 6.2, then therefore now they say a loan of 10,000 takes what taken on the 1st of February 2016. It is to be repaid in a regular fixed installment of 450 on the first day of each and every month, right? Now they say the interest which is charged on the loan, it's same as 9.5% per annum compounded monthly. Now they say the first installment is paid on the first of what? On the first of your August 20 or rather 2016. Now, what is the first thing that you're going to do now here? They want to calculate the total amount payable on the what? On the 1st of July 20 what? 2016. Now, from February to July, how many months are you going to be having there? Right? Let's see. So it's going to be March, April, May, June, July. So this is basically going to be 5 months, right? So you're going to say now, what is going to be the value of this particular what is going to be the value of this particular 10,000 after 5 months? Remember, after 5 months, there's still no repayment of it, right? So which means what is going to be this particular value? This is going to be 0.095 over what? Over 12. For how long? This is for 5 months, right? Remember, this is for how many months? This is for 5 months. So you are not going to say 5 multiplied by 12 months. That's going to be incorrect, right? Now, what is going to be the value of this? Now, we are going to realize that now the 10,000 is going to gain an interest of 4.2 or what? 15, right? So it's going to be 10,000 and 402, what, 15 cent altogether. Now that's going to be the total amount payable from the what? From the 1st of July 2016. Now they say the number of payment that will be needed to settle the loan, right? So now here they want us to calculate what is going to be the N. Once again, now they want us to calculate the N that is required to be paid here, right? The installment that is going to be payable. Now let's see. Now here you are going to say from here. Now, what is it that you are having? Right? Remember, this is going to be the present value annuity. Present value annuity is x into 1 subtract 1 plus your I to the power of negative n over what? Over your I. Now, what is going to be the present value? Now, remember from July, right? Now this particular amount of money is going to be 10 1,402, what, 15 is equals to now the monthly payment here. It's going to be 450 into 1 subtract 1 plus the interest given here, 0.095 over 12 to the power of negative n, right? Then now from this is going to be over what? Over 0.1, over 0.095 over what? Over 12. Now, what is the first thing that you're going to do now from here? So basically what you're going to have here, it's going to be same as what? Now what you're going to get here, this is same as what? Now this is same as your 10,000. You're going to start cross multiplying. This is same as 10,402, 1 multiplied by 0.095 over 12. Then this is going to be divided by 400 and what? 450 is going to be equal to, now when I plug this in my calculator, what is it that I'm going to get now from here? Let's see. So when I say 1 plus 0.095 divide by 12. Now what is it that I'm going to get here? This is going to be same as yeah, I'm going to get 2. This is 2419 over 2400. So basically that is going to be that to the power of what? Of negative n. Remember, it's still minus 1 here. Look at me, right? So remember, this is same as 1 subtracts this one is equal to that, right? Then I'm going to transpose my 1 this side, right? So when I transpose my 1, let's see. Let's plug all of this in the calculator. When I add 1 here, the value that you are going to find here, it's actually going to be now 0.8169999231 is equals to what? This is equals to negative, right? Both of these values are negative. Negative into 2, what? Into 2419 over 2400 to the power of negative n. Okay, so which means now the negative n is going to be your log, then the base is going to be same as 2419 over your 2400. It's same as 0 point what? 0.816999231. Now remember the negative and the negative here. When you divide by negative 1 here and divide by negative 1 here, you get a positive, right? So which means the n now that I'm going to get here, it's going to be same as what? 25. Now this is going to be 25, comma 6315128, right? Okay. So which means now the number of payments, basically it's going to be, now when they are looking for the number of payments, it's actually going to be 26 payment, right? It's going to be 26 payment, even though in the last payment it's not going to be the full amount because of what? It's not necessarily a full month, right? Now let's see now. Now they say in your now 6.2.3, now they say the balance outstanding on the loan after the 25th has been what been made. Now they want us to actually calculate the outstanding balance, right? Now it's very easy to calculate the outstanding balance, right? You're going to just use the outstanding balance formula, right? Now, so now remember here, you are going to say from the outstanding balance, what is it that you know, right? Right? You are going to say, now the outstanding balance formula is given by what? The outstanding balance formula is given by, and this is the outstanding balance, which is going to be same as your p into 1 plus your I to the power of n. Subtract, this is x into 1 subtract 1 plus I to the power of negative n over what? Over I, right? Now that's the outstanding balance formula, right? Now what is it that you're going to get now from here? Now what was the present amount here? This was 10,402, comma 15 into 1 plus the interest given here, it was 0.095 over 12. For how long? Now remember here they say after the 25th payment, so this is going to be the 25th payment, right? Now this is 450 again into 1 subtract, this is going to be remember, no, the formula here it's going to be actually 1 plus the formula here, it's going to be the one of your what? Of your future value annuity, right? So which means the formula here, it's going to be same as 1 plus I to the power of n subtract 1, right? So this is going to be 1 plus I. Now the interest that you're given here is 0.095 over what? Over 12 to the power of 25 subtract 1. divide by 0.095 over what? Over 12. Now, this is going to be the outstanding balance formula, right? Now, so after the outstanding balance formula, what is that you're going to do now? Let's do from the first formula. You are getting that this is going to be one, this is 100, this is going to be your 12,668.9% subtract. This is going to be 12,386.54, right? So basically, which means the outstanding balance that you're going to have here is going to be same as 282, what, 46. So which means in the last installment, instead of paying what? Instead of paying your 450, the last installment, the payment that is going to be made, it's only going to be 282.46 cents. Okay. So basically, this is how we go about when answering, your financial math questions. Hopefully, all of this makes sense to you now. And thank you very much.